got going on today is my garage is an absolute freaking disaster. Like, this place is totally wrecked. Doesn't really matter what I do, you know? Freaking clean it, and then next week, freaking explosion in here again. So right off the bat, I gotta work on getting this place cleaned up. We're gonna start working on Kyle's truck a little bit today. We got a few things to do with that. But real quick, look at this freaking truck outside in the sun right now. Like, just love this color. It doesn't matter how many times I stare at it and look at it, it just never gets old. Look at that. Gorgeous. But yeah, just had to flex my paint on you guys a little bit because I freaking love the color. Freaking meat! But I'm gonna have to try to stay behind walls in rooms today while I'm recording because I'm poor and we don't have a sick mic yet. And it is extremely windy out. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this freaking place cleaned up. Fixed. So garage looking way better. Still not good, but it's better. It's still a mess, but it's an organized mess. So I have this downpipe here that we have to cut this flange off and put a S400 half marmot on, which I have right here. This is for Matt's truck. Okay, get this downpipe ready for him. Then we're gonna start piecing together this second gen swap kit. We kind of bought all the parts to make it ourselves. And I donated a turbo to him, which is a 476, which is kind of questionable on how it's gonna spool on fuel, but it is a super tight hot side with an 83 turbine. So I'm hoping it'll still spool it decently. Shouldn't be too bad. But I'm gonna start working on welding that thing up, and then we're gonna start working on getting Kyle's truck pieced together. Got the Hobart handler 120 ready to rip. Got the downpipe down here. Got the wall saws out here with some pretty mediocre blades that probably won't cut anything, but we're gonna try to do it anyway. Pretty mediocre cutting job there. Definitely seen better. Let's see, this guy can't fit on there. Nope. Nope, doesn't fit. Usually it doesn't fit. Not same. Alright, time to get the hammer out, usually. All right, so it's the next day, and I got this flange probably pounded on there. Took quite a bit of massaging work, but you know, like I said, a day later, got her on there. So get the old Hobart handler over here, see if we can't lay down some boogers. You guys ready to see some freaking minty boogers? I think you are. Oh my goodness, guys, check this out. Jeez. Oh, there's some good boogers, dude. Might be the best boogers I've ever picked. Right there, freaking had the settings wrong on the old weldy. We aren't taking care of over here though, later down. That looks unreal. Freaking gotta entertain the kids while you're working in the garage still. Right, Kyle? Alright, so that's that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start working over here. our freaking makeshift second gen swap all done. We had to run to the stove and get some plugs to plug off some things, and did some weldy welds right there. We laid down some nice boogers in here. Got them nice booger welds.
All
Pounded dog crab.
They have pounded dog crab booger welds. And yeah, looking pretty mint though. Last thing we gotta do for the old second gen swap is toss a couple plugs in there, put the downpipe on, and basically ready to blow some head gaskets. So conned Alex into coming over to freaking help us put the tranny in. He's super mad, but I'm not. And yeah, hopefully we can get this thing all back together and hopefully have it started tonight or tomorrow. Meat! Alright! Freaking gonna throw some fluids in this bad boy and freaking see if we can't pop start it. But freaking me and Alex just got there, got it done. I think it was about, what, hour and 15? So I was probably not a world record, but pretty mint having a mechanic here to help. First topping off some stuffs. We're gonna see if it can't run. It'll be the first time actually starting it since I did all the valve lash and everything. Which is kind of scary. I usually have to leave the valve cover off when I do that. Look at that pouring skill, dude. Kyle's over here freaking killing it, putting tools away. Killing it with the tools.
Alright, dude.
So hopefully we can have this thing put together. Probably we'll have it back on the streets by next week, but we got Good. Cut that out. Cut that out definitely for sure. Hopefully we get on the streets next week, but we have tires coming. They're supposed to be here next Tuesday. So we're gonna leave it on the jack stands for now until we get that. We gotta run the new exhaust because we're gonna put a stack on it. Kyle wants to wet sand the passenger side because it has some orange peel and he's been crying about it since day one. So we're gonna get that taken care of, hopefully. Either it's gonna look really good or we're gonna sand through and we're gonna have to paint the whole truck, so see what happens. But yeah, so freaking ready for a sick startup. Lots of bent valves.
No downpipe.
I did it again. Cut that out too.
What are you doing?
Oh, don't do that. Come on, meow.
Cracking on my cold booski.
Usually. Dude, you better relax. So we just got our brand new air intake fabbed up. Thing's mint. If you guys want to pick one of these up, they got them on eBay. Just kidding, we just put it up there so we can have our sensor still because I don't know if it would run without it or not. But pretty much everything's all buttoned up here except for all the stuff that's not. We'll find out when we start it. If it runs, yeah, usually. And then tranny is in there. Freaking killed it. Usually. Freaking see if we can get a start up on this bad boy. Dude, fresh fuel system too, he ain't gonna like it.
Oh, facts.
Dude, he scratched my door.
Usually. It comes with rent, dude. Free scratches. Free scratches for everyone.
You take the jacket off for
For the
this?
deep scratches we charge though.
He's gotta take the jacket off. Doesn't want to get the interior dirty. Oh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get hit in the face with a fish rod.
It's got check engine light, dude. Dang it.
Wonder why.
Usually. Just a long grid.
VGT is life, baby.
Long grid heater session for now with a grid heater.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Love the pump, bro.
Fuck that, man. Spray with the ether.
This ain't no Ford, dude. You can't do that.
He's persuasive. That don't sound right.
Shut up. Things gonna start right up, dude. I ain't even hear any rod knocks yet.
Just...
freaking mess. Oh, look at this truck. So I freaking got her done today. Now we got it fired up. Kyle's all freaking pumped. Can't stop smiling like a freaking kid. And we just got, what are we waiting on? We're waiting on the intake. Oh, we just started about the intake in a random minute, so.
You don't need to. It's got a universal.
So we gotta get some tunes ordered. We gotta finish our exhaust. We'll probably do that tomorrow. We're still waiting on the intake elbow. That was like $8 trillion. eBay couldn't even help us out there. So that pretty much sucks. New Talias, all of it. Freaking mint. Oh my god, dude, I'm so pumped! This is so sick, dude. I can't wait to get these tunes and see if we can spool that turbo. So whole deal with this second gen swap kit, it's kind of like we just kind of threw everything together, pieces together, because nobody wants to spend money on this stuff right now. So I had this super ugly 76 that I ran on my my first gen last year. The hot side was too tight for me, turbine wheel was too small, but I figured it might work in this application because it's 83 turbine with a 90 hot side. So 6.7s move a ton of air. So I'm thinking it's probably gonna be able to spool it. It might be a little laggy out of the hole, but up top it should definitely be able to make some power. So that's what he's gonna be running for now until he can afford a freaking brand new FI 72. Yeah, should freaking be a burnout machine. We'll have to finish off those tires before we get them changed. So it's the next day. Jeez. So it's the next day, and we're gonna start working on putting the old exhaust back on this puppy. Maybe we'll freaking get the bumper on there too. Didn't even think about that. Time for color match bumper life. But yeah, so stack, maybe bumper. We gotta put the fan shroud and radiator fan back in. Before we go too far, we have a bunch of stickers over here that need to go over here onto my little Fernacci here. Freaking real, fleece. You kidding me? Oh my god, all that money for that sticker. That was a $50 sticker. Mint. Right. So, we have a bunch of exhaust parts here from his original exhaust that I'm gonna try to use. And then we got this guy here that one of our buddies donated to him. So I got the clamp. See, I got a 90 here, so freaking pretty much ready to rip there. See if we can piece that together somehow. It shouldn't be too hard to really get in there. Should be pretty straightforward, actually. Basically already got it set up. The only thing is he has it set up for an extended cab though, so I'm not sure if that's gonna end up lining up the same. We're gonna find out. Alright, getting ready to ruin this truck. A giant hole saw. And the stacks are there, my thing, so hopefully I do this right, because yeah. Don't do stacks, so hopefully. Freaking giant hole saw is probably gonna kill me. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sucks. Oh my goodness.
How's it looking down there?
It's a nice hole, but hopefully we'll get to it where it is. Hopefully we can sneak it over in there because we're kind of over the frame a little bit, but it looks really dumb if you come up right here to me, so freaking figure it out. Get a welder, grinder, sawzall, hammer, all of it.
Alright, sounds good.
All of it, dude, we got it. So we just finished up the freaking stack, total pain. Not the greatest install ever because I don't freaking do stacks, but there it is over there. Mint. We're gonna do a freaking quick startup area. Thing's already freaking looking mint. Still got a bunch of stuff to do. We still gotta do the tail lights, change them out. Got tires coming next week. Gotta lower this thing too. We're gonna lower it down more, but freaking she's ready to rip. Anywho, we're done screwing around out here for the night. Freaking can't wait to get some tunes on this bad boy. That should be next week. New tires. Get everything set up so the tunes are actually made for the turbo, and then we're gonna hopefully freaking send her to the moon. But if you guys haven't already, go down and freaking subscribe because our freaking videos are the best videos there is. And I'll see you next time.